Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we will set up SSH in Windows for GitHub and GitLab. First, open git bash. And then type ssh-kgan, press enter. Now Git is asking us to type the path and file name for the SSH key. I will just use the default path and file name by pressing enter. And then I want to make the passphrase empty, so I will just press enter again and again. Now we can open File Explorer. Go to folder C, users, your name, and then open SSH folder. Open file with pub extension. I will open with Visual Studio Code. And then go to GitHub. In GitHub, choose the right corner and then settings. And then choose SSH and GPG keys. Choose new SSH key. And then type the title of SSH key. For example, key Andy Windows. And then for the key, we will copy the content of the file to this field. Paste. And then press add SSH key. Type your GitHub password. And done. Now for GitLab, choose right corner, preferences, and then SSH keys. Type the title as well, key Andy Windows, for example, and then paste the very same code from the previous key. And then press add key. Now all is done. I will give example using GitHub. You can use SSH for cloning For example, I will clone here using SSH git clone, and then I use SSH instead of HTTPS. I press enter. Yes, enter. Now, right here you can see that our cloning is success. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.